Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn a quick henna tutorial with Masira Mehndi Artist. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create floral flower. Let's get going. I'm going to use spiral as my bud for my rose. And then applying shading. You can fill the space. You can apply shading on both the sides. Just make sure that you're applying proper space in between. Just leave a proper space. Don't mix two shades. Touch on the sheet and apply lighter pressure. Drag slowly. That's it. One last thing that you need to remember: highlighting. Highlight your petals with bold outlinings. For detailed learning and thorough description, you can avail my 21 days online henna course. And also follow me on Instagram. If you like it, then do try it, and don't forget to tag me to get featured on my Instagram account. And of course, flower is absolutely incomplete without leaves, so I'm gonna add few leaves. And then shading. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Show some support. And let me know what tutorial do you want me to post next. You can even learn from the comfort of your home by joining my course. That's the end of my tutorial. Let's just quickly add some bunches to make it complete floral bunch. That's it. Thank you.